Forehead blackheads removal transformation. The forehead often gets ignored, but it's part of the T-zone, one of the most active oil-producing areas of the face. That means it's also one of the first places where blackheads start to appear. Today's treatment focuses on forehead blackheads removal transformation through deep pore cleaning and extraction. Why forehead blackheads form? The forehead produces more oil than most areas of the face. When that oil mixes with dead skin cells, sweat, dust, and pollution, it becomes trapped inside pores. Over time, this leads to congestion and blackheads. Why forehead texture looks uneven? Forehead blackheads are usually small but spread widely. This creates rough texture, tiny bumps, uneven light reflection. Step 1. Deep cleansing prep. We begin with a full cleanse to remove surface oil and prepare the skin. Step 2. Steam softening. Warm steam helps soften clogged buildup inside the pores. Step 3. Forehead extraction begins. Extraction starts across the forehead. Small blackheads begin to release from multiple pores at once. Step 4. Deep pore cleaning transformation. As congestion is removed, the skin starts to look more even. The forehead texture begins improving gradually with each cleared pore. Step 5. Satisfying skin results. After extraction, the skin appears cleaner and more refined. The forehead looks smoother, clearer, less congested. Step 6. Recovery soothing. A calming treatment is applied to reduce redness and support skin recovery. Final results. Before, small blackheads and uneven forehead texture. After, cleaner pores and smoother looking skin. A complete forehead blackheads removal transformation. Final message. Even small blackheads across a wide area can change how smooth the skin looks. Deep cleaning brings back balance to the entire surface. If you enjoyed this forehead blackheads removal transformation, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more satisfying skincare videos.